Hello, today I'm gonna show you how make a breakfast quesadilla. We're gonna need some eggs, bacon, a tortilla, salt, pepper, a pan. Okay, let's start. Take your eggs and mix it. Yeah, let's mix a little bit. Switch your fire, put some olive oil in your pan. Wait until be hot. And you can also prepare the bacon. You can prepare in the microwave or in another pan. Wait until the pans be super hot. Take your eggs, put in your pan, and put some salt and pepper. Put your fires a little down and wait. Keep watching your eggs to don't burn. And always with a spoon or something like that, like poking the meter and see how that's going. Also, don't forget to check your bacon. Okay, almost ready. When your egg is almost cooking for all of it, you can put your tortilla and flip over. Yeah, looks amazing. Now we can add some cheese. Oh, more cheese. Yummy. Okay, let's toast a little bit. That's Ray in my video. Put some bacon. Yeah. And now fold your tortilla. There we go. It's amazing. It's toasted. Make sure it's toast both sides. Okay, switch off. Take your plate. Let's see the result. Fantastic. Let's cut and see. Take care. Ooh. Let's see. That's so cheesy. Is your breakfast already?